Want to hear a different alert when someone arrives or leaves a place? Let's customize your Life360 notification sound. First, open phone settings, not Life360 directly. Go to notifications, find Life360 here, and look for the sound setting. Tap on it and choose a new tone from your list. Some phones let you pick custom ringtones too. Once selected, it automatically updates your Life360 alerts. Pick a distinct sound so Life360 notifications stand out from your regular ones. If you can't find the sound setting, check if app notifications are fully enabled first. What's your new notification sound? Share it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.